the second category and the basis of structure, that is cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. Dear children, we know the cyclic or closed chain again classified into two categories. One is homocyclic or carbocyclic. Homocyclic or carbocyclic. Carbocyclic. The other category is, we know, that is heterocyclic. Heterocyclic. Dear children, what are homocyclic compounds or carbocyclic compounds? Okay, here the homocyclic compounds or carbocyclic compounds means the compounds contain ring of the carbon contains ring made up of carbon atoms. Okay, the carbon contain ring. Okay, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ cyclic compounds, closed chain compounds ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is ring like structure. Okay, closed rings like structure. In that homocyclic compounds, the carbon contain ring made up of carbon atom. Ring made up of carbon atoms. Okay, ring made up of carbon atoms only. Carbon atoms only. Only carbon atoms. That's why we call it as homocyclic compounds. Homo means same anta. Okay, only carbon atoms. That's why they are homocyclic compounds. Okay, dear children, homocyclic compounds are further classified. We know homocyclic compounds are further classified into two categories. What are those categories? Alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Aromatic and alicyclic compounds. Then what are alicyclic compounds? Okay, before going to aromatic, we will discuss the alicyclic compounds. The alicyclic compounds which contain rings of 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms. Okay, 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms are connected by single bonds. Okay, in alicyclic compounds, the compounds in which the carbon atoms are connected more than 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms which are connected only through single bonds. Carbon-carbon single bonds. Okay, write it. The compounds which contain rings, the compounds which contains the ring, 3 or more than 3 carbon atoms, more than 3 carbon atoms, then more than 3 carbon atoms which are connected, ಹೇಗಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ more than 3 carbon atoms are connected by only single bonds, are connected by only single bonds. Dear children, and also these properties are similar to the aliphatic carbon atoms. Okay, aliphatic carbon atoms andre yavdu helri? Aliphatic carbon atoms andre open chain carbon atoms irutte alva, open chain bonds. Okay, open chain bonds ke properties, the alicyclic properties are similar to the aliphatic carbon atoms. Okay, the properties resembles with aliphatic carbon atom. Aliphatic carbon atom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ category of organic compounds ನ ಓದಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ alicyclic properties ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? These are ring-like structure. Even though ring-like structure, the properties of alicyclic compounds and aliphatic compounds are similar. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ same ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ with aliphatic compounds. Then what are the examples for these alicyclic compounds? Examples ಯಾವುದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ 3 ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 3 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ 3 ಇದೆ, 1 2 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದು, cyclobutane. Get it, dear children? These are the examples for alicyclic carbon atoms. Then we go to the aromatic carbon atoms. Okay, we go to the aromatic compounds. Dear children, we know aromatic compounds means the carbon molecule or carbon compound or any organic compound, okay, which has having or which consists of at least one benzene ring in the aromatic compounds. ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, at least one benzene ring ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವು aromatic compounds ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Then define aromatic compounds. The compounds which consist of which consist of at least one benzene ring. Okay, at least one benzene ring. Those we called as aromatic compounds. What we call it as aromatic compounds ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, aromatic compounds. In these aromatic compounds, they we are classified into two categories. Okay na, two categories ಆಗಿ classify ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. In that benzoid compounds or non benzoid compounds ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ classify ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, benzoid compound. Then other one is non benzoid compound. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಆದರೆ even it is aromatic, it does not have benzene ring. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು non benzoid compounds. Dear children, first we discuss the first one, benzoid compounds. Then what are benzoid compounds? Benzoid compounds, the aromatic compounds, it has at least one benzene ring or more than one benzene rings. Okay, how we will define this benzoid compounds? The benzoid compounds consist of at least one or more fused or isolated benzene rings. Okay, fused or isolated benzene rings. The compounds which contain one or more benzene, one or more fused or isolated, one or more fused or isolated benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring. Those we call it as benzoid compound. Get it, dear children? Benzoid compounds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Called benzoid compounds. Then what are the examples for benzoid compounds? Any examples? Benzene is the examples for benzoid compound. Benzene. Then also we call it as, okay, one benzene ring to second benzene ring. Okay na, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? That is naphthalene. Okay, Dear children, ಏನಿದು ರಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಲೋಕಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ in the ring, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ pi electrons all over the ring. That's why we also write like this structure. Okay na, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, phenol is also examples for the benzoid compound. ಓಕೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟಾಲಿನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಬೆನ್ಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಟಾಲಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ CH3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆನ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಥ್ರಸಿನ್ ಓಕೆ ತ್ರೀ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಂಥ್ರಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, we will discuss the benzoid compounds. We know what are benzoid compounds. Then we will discuss about the non-benzoid compounds.